So, yeah.
Yeah. In the Bay Area, I used to observe supernovae there back in the day when I was a postdoc.
Great place to drink. You know, you go with a bottle and then boom.
Eat chips. You got to eat chips at the observatory. So the ASP, one thing that made it different when it was founded was this egalitarian perspective. So they accepted professional astronomers, amateur astronomers, and educators at all the same level.
Because it was all about sort of just lifting everybody
all together.
Yes.
All together.
And you want to get it out there.
It's like, you know,
The more you include, the better the knowledge base.
Highly laudable fact.
High laudable fact.
Because he doesn't hang out with riffraff. He's
don't make me slap you.
But later,
Like last time.
they added a new group that is labeled as enthusiasts.
Good.
Yeah. So here's the thing about it. So I discovered them. I went to the Bay Area in '91 for graduate school, and there was this guy at the nearby community college, a name you're going to recognize, Andy Fracknoy.
Yes.
Who was the CEO.
He was teaching at the community college.
Excuse me. Yeah, he was teaching at Foothills.
Foothills, yeah.
That's right. And so I'm looking at Mercury Magazine. I'm looking at the proceedings of the ASP.
The ASP produces the magazine for the public, Mercury Magazine, and they produce proceedings of scientific conferences. They got it in everything. In fact, probably one of these books is from that conference. But
you know what else they do?
Yeah,
so there are 90 astronomy journals in the world. PASP is typically between 15 and 20 of the 90 astronomy journals. So they're typically in the top around 17% of astronomy journals. And there you go, a proceedings of those books.
This is for every meeting of the Astronomical Society of the Pacific, every professional meeting, their proceedings.
Yeah.
And it's beautifully published.
Everybody has
line them up.
those.
Yeah, we all have these.
Yeah.
And these are just two that are here relative to others that I have on a different part of the shelf. Galaxy Evolution, the Milky Way Perspective.
Oh, that's a great, They made that into a film starring Tom Cruise. He jumps through a Milky Way covered in Vaseline. It's an amazing
equations.
And equations.
So, I mean, there are now hundreds of these. I mean, it's been around a long time. Yeah.
Oh, absolutely.
So very, very good to hear.
That's right. So I saw them as a rigorous, scientifically rigorous organization that had the social consciousness to do this educator training.
Which nobody else was doing, because professional organizations, they were deigned to even talk to the public.
Yeah. Exactly.
And so the ASP has been everything I care about as a professional scientist is fulfilled by that mission
Well,
statement.
why haven't other societies picked up on that part of it? It's out there. It's a good example. And be inclusive.
I have an answer. He probably has an answer, but I have an answer. In our field, there aren't many fields where it can reach the enthusiastic amateur and they can still participate.
Well, but your show does. Cosmic Queries is a perfect example of that.
What I'm saying, that's astronomy and astrophysics.